I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and verifying power. This prevents loss and factory reset hiccups. First, back up to your Google account and export photos. Once done, confirm you have the device PIN or password and the Google account email for reactivation. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected. Then open Settings and go directly to System. This initiates the reset sequence and avoids wasted steps. You now perform the core action. In Settings, navigate to System, choose Reset Options, then tap Erase All Data Factory Reset. When prompted, enter your PIN or password to confirm. This authenticates you and prevents unauthorized wipes. You should remove linked accounts first if requested, because factory reset protection ties the device to accounts. Once you confirm Erase Everything, the phone will wipe apps and settings. Be patient and avoid interrupting the process to prevent corruption. You finish by letting the device reboot into the fresh setup flow. Connect Wi-Fi and sign into the same Google account to restore backups and remove FRP locks. If you cannot sign in and encounter factory reset protection, use the original Google credentials or run account recovery. This is why authenticating before reset matters. If the phone fails to boot or gets stuck, reboot into recovery mode and repeat wipe cache or factory reset, and escalate to manufacturer support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.